What up everyone, it's heidiroro and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing this beautiful golden yellow smoky eye, and first off I'm going to moisturize my face with my oh so favorite Belif True Cream Aqua Bomb. Now I'm going to minimize the pores in my T-zone with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. For today's foundation, I'm going to be using Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. I'm going to be mixing Golden Beige and Soft Ivory together, and I'm just going to be pouncing it in with this Morphe sponge. Also, I'm sure you guys can hear it in my voice, but I am sick right now, so excuse the nasaliness. Now I'm using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. This is shade C7. I'm just using it to highlight the center of my face, and this concealer reminds me a lot of the Tarte Shape Tape. Now this one is a no-brainer. Of course, I'm going to set my face with the Mercier Loose Translucent Powder. I'm going to warm up my skin with the Makeup Forever Pro Bronze Fusion in 30M. I'm going to add some flush to my cheeks with the Benefit California Blush. And I want to highlight the skin and shine to the ends of the earth using the MAC Extra Dimension Skinfinish in Oh Darling. Clearly I was feeling myself. This highlighter is the best, it's my favorite. And now I'm just filling in my brows with the Benefit Precisely My Brow. I'm in shade 3. And I've been doing more of a thicker brow lately and I actually really like it. And I'm also using the Benefit Highbrow to just highlight my brow bone. So I'm just adding it and with a small little smudger brush blending it out and using my fingers as well. Now that the brows are complete, let's go on to the eyes. I'm only going to be using 2 eyeshadows for this entire look. It really just depends on the density of the brushes that you're going to be using. So first off, I'm using this Colourpop single eyeshadow in Paper Tiger, and at first I'm using a fluffy brush just to put it all over my crease, and then I'm using a tight dense brush and I'm just adding it to create that wing, and I'm also adding the shadow to my lower lash line as well. Once I have that blown out effect with the yellow shade, I'm going to take a light brown peachy shade. I'm just adding it to that outer corner just to add a little bit of dimension. I'm using the Tom Ford Eye Defining Pen eyeliner to just create a wing. I think this winged eyeliner is going to look perfect with this blown out yellow smoky eye. Now just add your favorite mascara and some wispy lashes. I was in need of some glitter, so I'm just using this LA Splash eyeshadow primer. I'm adding it to my inner corners and using the crystallized glitter in Gold Rush right on top. And look at that, it is beautiful. And the Lord knows I do not have money for some Tom Ford lipsticks, but I got a free trial size though. So I'm using the Tom Ford lip color in True Coral. I think this shade is perfect for this look and it's perfect for spring. Now I'm just setting my entire face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And that is it for this golden yellow smoky eye look. I hope you guys liked it. I think this is perfect for the springtime or just when you want a little bit of pop of color. If you like this tutorial, or if you like me acting a fool, dancing, living life, getting it, all the above, then please make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment down below on what you like to see next, and subscribe so you join the family. Thanks for watching. Bye!